Welcome to my division practice video. Before we start, can you recall how many types of division there are? Yes, that's right, there are 3 types of division. And what are they? They are more than 1, equal to 1, and less than 1. So each of these divisions, and every division we ever come across, will have one of those 3 answers: more than 1, equal to 1, or less than 1. And it's the first thing we need to recognise before we do anything, because each type has a different way of doing it. So if the answer is more than 1, we're going to just divide it, i.e. use the algebra trick and figure out how many times it goes in. So for example, 32 divided by 4 is more than 1, and we can identify it because the number on top is more than the number on the bottom. So we say to ourselves, okay, how many times does 4 go into 32? So that's 8. And that's it. So we kind of use algebra there. We say 4 times what is 32. And that's really what algebra is. Equal to 1, we can recognise because the numbers are the same. It's the same number divided by itself. It only takes 1 subtraction to get to 0. So for example, 6 divided by 6 is 1, because 6 goes into 6 once, or 6 take away 6 is 0, so it only took 1 subtraction. And less than 1 type is where the number on top is less than the one on the bottom. So 3 divided by 12 is an example of that. 3 is less than 12, so think of it like pizzas over people. If you've only got 3 pizzas but 12 people, then they're not going to get 1 each. They're going to get less than 1 each, and they'll need to be shared out. The way we do this numerically is we find the largest number that goes into both. So in this case it's 3. So 3 into 3 goes once, and 3 into 12 goes 4 times. So it's a quarter. So we want to go through the rest of these questions and ask first what type is it, and then what the answer is. So if you pause the video now and have a go at these yourself, and then see if your answers match up with mine. Okay, so 32 divided by 4, that's more than 1. I've actually had that one already down here, and it's equal to 8. 72 divided by 12, that's more than 1 as well. The number on top is more than the one on the bottom, and the answer is 6, because 12 times 6 is 72. 6 divided by 18, that's less than 1. The largest number that goes into both 6 and 18 is 6, so 6 into 6 goes once, 6 into 18 goes 3 times. 10 divided by 15 is less than 1 as well, and the largest number here that goes into 10 and 15 is 5. 5 into 10 goes twice, 5 into 15 3 times. 18 over 24 is less than 1 again, and the largest number that goes into both is 6, so it's 3 6s are 18, 4 6s are 24. 72 divided by 6 is more than 1, and we need to multiply 6 by 12 to get 72. 25 divided by 5 is more than 1, and 5. 42 divided by 7 is more than 1, 6. 16 over 48 is less than 1. The largest number that goes into both is 16, so it's 1 over 3. 3 16s into 48. The reverse of that, 48 over 16, is more than 1, and it's equal to 3. So notice that they are the reverse of each other. In fact, they're known as the reciprocal, as you may recall. 7 over 77, less than 1. The largest number that goes into both is 7. So 11th. 6 ninths, less than 1. The largest number that goes into both is 3. 15 over 20, less than 1 again. 3 quarters, because the largest number that goes into both is 5. So here are some more interesting ones. 25 divided by 6. Now here, 6, it's more than 1, first of all, and 6 doesn't go into 25 exactly. So what we do is we can have an intermediate step where we say 4 remainder 1, so it goes in 4 times, because 4 6s are 24, and then it's 1 to 25. And if we had pizzas, 25 pizzas and 6 people, everyone would get 4 and there'd be 1 left over. And what would happen to this 1 that's left over is it'd get cut up 6 ways for the 6 people. So they'll get a 6th. So it's 4 and a 6th. Very similar for the next one. 37 divided by 6 is 6, remainder 1, which is 6 and 1/6 because it's been divided by 6 also. 18 divided by 5, more than 1 as well. 3 remainder 3. So we can just skip 2, it's 3 and 3/5. And finally, 75 divided by 25, more than 1, and the answer is 3. So there you go. So there's a good example of quite a range of divisions that we can come across: more than 1, equal to 1, less than 1. They're the only ones you'll ever come across. There isn't another kind that is going to be waiting for you in the future. If you can master these, you can do any division. The problem we have with division is it's not very accommodating because most divisions don't go in. So we need to know what to do there. So the last few examples there, 25 over 6, 37 divided by 6, and 18 over 5, you need to get good at those because it's more likely that you're going to come across those. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and please get in touch if any questions, or leave a comment, and like and share. Thank you.